this question you were given a graph with 3 x-intercepts, 0, 0, 2, 0, and 5, 0, and another point, 3, 12. So because we were given 3 intercepts, 3 x-intercepts, we can use the intercept form to write the function. So at the end of the question, we're going to write a cubic function. So we're going to look for a, and how do we do that? We're going to use the intercept form. And intercept form we talked about only up to here, but we're going to add x minus r because we have 3 intercepts. So f of x, a, times x minus the first x-intercept is 0, x minus the second intercept, 2, and then x minus the third x-intercept, 5. I can simplify that. X minus 0 is just x minus 2, x minus 5. You can skip this step and go to this step if you want. Next, we need to use 3, 12 somehow. 3, 12, as you know, this is also known as your x and the y. And your y value is also known as your f of x. So what we're going to do is we're going to substitute 12 in place of f of x. And we're going to substitute 3 right here in place of your x values. So let's try that. So 12 is equal to, so let me try it over here. 12 is equal to a, we don't know what a is, times your x is 3. Then times 3 minus 2. And then we have 3 minus 5. Your x's are right here. Let's simplify. 12 is equal to a times 3 times 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. 12 is equal to a, 3 times 1 times negative 2 is negative 6. Divide by negative 6 to find a alone, which is negative 2. Now that we found a, what we're going to do here is we're going to plug it all the way back in to right there. So let's solve. Negative 2, so f of x is equal to negative 2 times x, x minus 2, and x minus 5. I'm going to multiply, I'm going to FOIL here. F of x is equal to negative 2x times x is x squared, negative 2x, negative 5x is negative 7x, and then negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. I need to distribute negative 2x, so we get negative 2x cubed, and we know that this is a cubic function. Cubic functions look like that, so we have a degree of 3, and then negative 2 times negative 7 is positive 14x squared, and then lastly we have negative 20x, and this is your cubic function.